Hello guys, I'm gonna teach you in today's tutorial how to transfer dogs from your Telegram wallet to your Binance account. So, make sure to watch the whole video and apply all the steps. So first, you are going to go to your Telegram wallet app, then scroll down. Make sure you have dogs available, then tap on it, and tap send. You're gonna see many sending options, but I want you to tap on external wallet. So, after that, you need to go to Binance to get your wallet's address. When you're in, tap on Wallets in the bottom right of the screen, then tap on Spot in the middle left of the screen. So after that, click on Deposit and search for dogs. Once you find it, select it, choose Stun as a network and copy the dog's address. Then go back to your Telegram wallet and paste the dog's wallet address. Tap Continue, then put the amount of dogs you want to send. And after that, go back to Binance, copy the wallet's memo, paste it into Telegram. Tap Continue, and you're all done.